Good morning friends, I am Ashutosh and you are welcome to my Innovative Ashutosh YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to talk about Google Forms, a new thing. Actually this is not a new thing. If I don't know, this is new thing, but if we don't know, it is obviously a new thing for us. I have been using this technique, this thing for 4-5 months, because nowadays you know that there is lockdown, and during lockdown our schools have been remaining closed, fully closed, and that's why this technique has become more and more relevant even for us. Yes, who are active person, who are active teachers, for them this is very relevant, this is very necessary. So now today's topic is how to organize test, how to create a questionnaire online, how to prepare questionnaire for online test. So for this, friends, you will have to go to Chrome browser. Just go to the browser and just type on the search bar Google Forms and press the search button. Now the new page, we can say new face has come in front of us. Now the second link we must press. On pressing this, now the new page comes before you. The first link or the first thing you have to press, that is Google Form पर जाएं. Okay, just click on this. Now the new page opens before us. You must do it in desktop side. For this you must press on right hand side, on the top of the phone there are 3 dots. Just press on the dots and you will find desktop side here. Just press on this. Now new features and new buttons will come in front of you. Now you go on blank, press plus icon, you will see untitled form. Just press it and clear it and write online test, and thereafter below you must write about this subject, about the topic. What is general knowledge? Let it be general knowledge. And now untitled question, you must write the question. Suppose, what is the capital of India? No, at first you must write name of a student. Okay, name of student. What should be the name of student? What should be the option? This is not a multiple type question, this is short answer. That's why you must click short answer. Okay, now the second, what would be the second? How will you get it? Just press on plus icon. Next column you will get. Right. If you want to collect any other thing except name of the student, you can write here. For example, roll number, okay, or email ID, okay, class, etc. Just finish it. Now start from questions. What is the capital of India? What is the capital of India? India, and type question mark. Just click on option. Ranchi, Dumka, Patna, New Delhi. New Delhi. So finish. Now there is no button for right answer. That's why you must click on setting button. Here is setting button. You can see. Just pressing on setting button, you may see many options: general, presentation, quizzes. So you must go to quizzes and on the make this a quiz. Okay. Now finish it. Just click on save and come here. Now you can see, you can watch answer key. Just click on answer key. You can give here points. Suppose 10 points, 1 point, 2 point, whatever you may write, you may give. Suppose 1 point. Okay. And what is the right answer? You must click on that. New Delhi. Okay, this is right answer. And now there is an option that is done. Pressing on done, it get completed. Now for the next question, you must click on there are icons. Press on plus icon. Okay, the next column opens here. The question, second option, you may write whatever you can prepare the question here. What is the national anthem? Okay, what is the national anthem? Press on option first, that is सारे जहां से अच्छा. सारे जहां से अच्छा. ओके. सेकंड ऑप्शन जन गण मन. थर्ड ऑप्शन आमार सोनार बांग्ला. एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं. ओके. We wrote 4 options. Now click on answer key. There you must write what should be the point. Let it be 1 and press on the right answer. The right answer is Jana Gana Mana and press on done. Now it get finished. Now it get completed. In this way, friends, in this way you can add more and more questions, and it will become a big questionnaire, okay, and online questionnaire in this way. Now if you want to get the link, how will you get the link? Okay, how will you get the link? That's why you must press on send icon. Where is send icon? This is send icon. Pressing on send icon, you will see the options. You will see the options via email, via link, or via anything. No, via link we shall go through. Now there is URL. This URL is quite long. This URL is quite long. We must shorten it. There is an option for shortening this. You can see here, friends, you can see here, this is shorten URL. Press on shorten URL. Just pressing on URL, it becomes shorter. Now you must press on key button. Pressing on key, you can share it in your groups. So whatever your group is, okay, suppose ASU Geo, this is my group, okay. Now here where you type your messages, press and keep your finger pressing, and two options came here. One is paste and second is frequent phrase. Just press on paste, okay friend, just press on paste, and the link just copied here. And if you want to write something about this, you must write here. You can say online test for GK, and press send button. Now it is published. Now it is published. And student, when anybody, any person, any student click on this link, he will go through any browser. You can copy it and you can go with any browser. Here this is the link opens. There were two questions, and now even you can write and even you can answer these questions. And submit button, you will be able to get the scores, okay friends. So this is the way how we prepare a question, how to conduct an online test, how to organize an online test, how to prepare a questionnaire. And students will answer, teachers shall answer. And how will you know where should we get the responses? Yes, there is a question. So just go to the Chrome and click here on cross. There are options for responses. Just click on response and you will find here there is no response because nobody has responded it. If anybody answers, if anybody responses, you will find here the responses. And what is the total number? Total point is 2. There were two questions. There are two questions to answer, 1 and 2, and both of them we have given 1 and 1 mark. If you want to get this question and response from any other place, you must go to Google. You must go to Google Drive. Friends, this is Google Drive. You must press the Google Drive button and go. here there in the left side, top of the left side, there are 3 lines. Just click on recent and you will find, what will you find? This is online test. This is online test. Just click on this untitled form. You will get the form. Okay, from here you can have responses, you can have questions. If you want to name this, just click on 3 dots and rename this. Okay, online test GK. Now it became easy to find out. Okay friends, so this is the way how to prepare an online test, how to prepare a questionnaire for online test, how to organize online test, how to conduct online test. Friends, I think this video must be helpful for you, and you must enjoy, and you must prepare questions for online test for your dear students. If you do like, you must share it. This video must be shared by you. You must like it, you must comment. If you like it, you must subscribe my YouTube channel, you must press the bell icon. And thanks once again. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.